Do you know that a baby's brain starts developing after 2 weeks from the date of conception, and it continues till 20 years. But during a prenatal stage, like when a baby is inside the womb, it is largely genetically controlled, right? But when the baby, like, yes, of course the external factors do matter, like if there is a lack of nutrients, if there is lack of folic acid, or there is presence of alcohol or smoking, so it does affect baby's brain development in a negative way. But yeah, what I mean to say is most of it is genetically controlled when a baby is inside the womb. So once the baby is born, once the baby comes out of mother's womb, it is mostly environment related. So you may feel like the baby is just playing, but a play therapy is much more than that.
And it goes a little something like
Hello.
Hi Shruti, how are
Hi, I'm
you?
good. How are you doing?
I am good, yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, Shruti, will you just tell us how a human brain works? Like, what do we exactly mean by early brain development?
So basically, like I was hearing what you were saying in the initial, like you said, the baby's brain start developing just after 2 3 weeks of the conception. At that time,
Right.
the neurons, the spinal cord is connected with the brain, and a lot many functionings are taking place. Okay, at that time, have you realized that in the womb itself, the baby's brain was not for thinking. The most important reason why a baby or any living thing has a brain is the movement, to control, to coordinate with different limbs and all that stuff. So the first reason why we have brain is for the coordination and the movement. And हम क्या करते हैं, बच्चों को अरे बैठ जाओ, we restrict that movement. So yes, if you have an active toddler, if you have an active toddler, it means that you have running brain inside. So let's come back in the mother's womb. The neurons, okay, let me explain what it is. बिजली का तार जो होता है, when you have those rise lights or maybe those Diwali lights in your house when you put it, so those lights, imagine those lights and those bulbs as two neurons, right? Those two neurons get connected, तार होते हैं उनको connect करने के लिए. That is known as synapses. So the neurons, there are trillion of neurons when a baby is born. That neuron building is happening in the pregnancy. Okay, so a lot of reading, Garbh Sanskar, everything is very important during the pregnancy, right? The baby can understand the senses. The senses are developed fully in the mother's womb itself. Now comes the connection between the neurons. And how is that connection happening? जब वो synapses, when the things are repeated again and again, the connection becomes strong, and it is called as synapses. If that connection
Okay.
is not strong, there is a process called pruning. The brain will eliminate that thing. इसलिए हमें कुछ चीजें याद रहती है और कुछ चीजें हम भूल जाते हैं, राइट? सो द मोर कनेक्शन यू हैव टू दोस थिंग्स, twinkle twinkle little star, you will not forget because it is back then, and that time the neuron connection was way stronger, and that is still registered somewhere, right? But we tend to
Right.
forget if we don't practice things. That's why baby's life, early childhood is all about repetition and practicing. So the neuron connection is very, very strong when the baby is, when he's exposed to the environment outside. So the baby is not born as a blank paper. Always remember, the baby's brain is not a blank paper. It has the neurons connected all over. Just that when it comes out, you have to give a synapses connection. And that is just happening when you give them a lot of sensory stimulation. Because, like I said, senses are the most important thing. हम सिर्फ हमारे सेंसेस के कारण ब्रेन से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. फॉर दैट मैटर, यू मी एनीवन, we just communicate through senses, right? There's no other way you can communicate to your brain. Same as with the child. they communicate only through senses. So it is very important to build that sensory awareness in the early childhood so as to have a very strong brain development. And it is very correctly said, first the year of the life of the baby's life after जो mother's womb में develop हुए हैं traits, that is the nature, but the nurture plays a very important role. If you're giving that exposure, you will definitely see a lot of improvement in the child's growth also. So it is very important to consider these little things jo we miss and not master.
Very nicely said, Shruti. So, like, what is like, if you can just explain us what is left brain and what is right brain, and which is more dominant in the
So
early
true.
stage?
This right brain thing has come over, just so quickly due to this Instagram and these things. So see,
Yeah.
basically, there are. It's like a walnut. You imagine brain like a walnut. दो part हैं उसके, left or right brain. There are many parts to it, but just to explain it in a layman's language, there are basically two parts: the left part and the right part. So,
Right.
left part is more of logical reasoning, analytical thinking, and all that stuff. And the right brain is about art, it's about abstract, it's about creativity. बच्चे क्या करते हैं? Can you please tell me?
They always try creative stuff.
So, I
Always.
think you get the answer of the second part yourself. Yes, the child is born with the right dominance until the age of 3, when the cerebellum blood flow, takes over to the left side. It is also seen in many of the graphies that are done that the blood flow is more towards the right side in the, infancy. And then after the 3rd year, तभी हमारे लॉजिकल क्वेश्चंस भी आने चालू हो जाते हैं, क्यों, कैसे, ऐसा क्यों. So all those logical thinkings come after the 3 years. So yes, in the initial year, it is very important to focus on the right way, and right side is just being more creative, awareness about the sensory things, messy play. Every such thing is all about right education. Abhi jo chal raha hai, it is more about, stimulation, right brain education. It has come from Japan, but right brain
Okay.
education is not only flashcards. Because the right part of the brain is very dominant in the early childhood, it is empty at the moment. It can store a lot of data at a very high speed. That is why that flashcards and everything is done with the child who is doing right brain education. But yes, along not only one thing, flashcard, other things, the messy play, the art, the touch and feel thing, everything is included in the early childhood learnings.
Okay. So, like, what is the importance of senses in the brain development, and what is the like importance of sensory play in
This is
the?
my, this question I would really like to explain with an example here.
Yeah, sure.
There are many studies that have been done. When the baby is born, the baby is born with all the senses developed, just the vision is a little blurred. Okay.
Right.
So when the baby is born, the baby can smell you. The baby will never latch around the father. The baby will latch to you because the baby can smell you, the baby can taste you, the baby can hear you,
Right.
right? So all the sensory developments are done in the mother's womb. That's why I'm saying the baby is not born blank. नहीं तो ब्लैंक बच्चा कैसे पहचानेगा कि ये मम्मा है और ये मासी है,
Very
राइट? ये
true.
मम्मा है और ये भैया है. I will get my necessity completed from my mother, right? These senses are developed in the child. Okay, so
Right.
the only thing that is not developed, is partially developed, is vision. There has been a study that if you blindfold the child for few days, few months at a stretch, the baby can lose the ability to see. Because there's no neuron connection built, right? The neuron connection is not built. The brain is thinking that it is waste, like it is of no use. It is actually deleting the
Okay.
neuron, it is pruning, and the connections get loose, and the baby can lose the ability. This important is the role of sensory play in the early childhood, which actually we don't understand.
Shruti, I think there is some network issue, guys. She got disconnected, I guess. Let me just check. Hi Shruti, did you get disconnected? Like, should I connect you again? Okay.
I am so sorry there was a power
Hi.
cut. Yeah, there was a
No
power
problem.
cut at my place, so I'm really sorry
Okay.
about it. So I was just
Yes.
saying that the vision can also be affected so much if the child is not
Mhm.
getting that sensory stimulation. It is that important in a child's life about all the sensory stimulation, but we somehow don't understand the importance of giving them sensory pleasures. They actually tend to register a lot because like I say, the brain grows from zero to 1 year. It's tremendous. For that matter, 0 to 3 years, the 33% to 55% of the brain is developed. And then further, from 3 months onwards until 3 years, there's almost a 75% brain development in the child. And rest till 90%. Uh,
Oh, the light is gone. Like,
yeah.
I
Can you
think
hear
this
me?
phone. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so the generator will get on and it is going to come back. Okay. So there is around 90% of the brain development until the age of 6 years. So it is that important. But we somehow don't understand this concept and we are like बच्चे हैं अभी तो भाई ये बचपना वापस नहीं आएगा. So just enjoy with them and just give them a lot of sensory play, because the more they are involved with their senses, the better they can involve with the environment around them.
So Shruti, like I'm curious about the study, research that you said. Like if the child is, blindfolded for certain days, like the child will go blind.
Yeah, initial. It is the study that has been done in Japan, wherein they say the
Okay.
neuron connection is not getting strong and it is not registering. It is trending it to prune itself. मतलब कि वो connection को हटा रहा है. So if
Okay.
there's no connection, if there's no nurturing to that sensory, what will happen? The brain will prune it. So it is
Completely,
that.
like there is no
Yeah,
chance, like.
yeah. See, the basic thing is that if it is not giving, that stimulus is not given, the child will tend to lose the ability now because the neuron connection is not developed. The child is starting to see very blur in the initial days.
Yeah,
And
true.
then slowly and steadily we do that peekaboo thing, we play
Huh.
with different toys, we show that. Why are we doing that? Pehle, when you
To
have you ever
stimulate.
seen a child doing like this? Then slowly can they focus on one thing because they're not built that stability is not there in the vision. Unlike smell and taste, that stability is not there in the vision. That is the least
Okay.
developed senses. That is why it is very
Okay.
important to show different kind of flashcards, to do a lot of peekaboo, to do a lot of these things. जो हम पहले करते थे, हम यूं ही करते थे, but there is a
Hmm.
science behind it too.
Right. So, like,
Yes.
how can we teach them this? How can we teach them while playing?
See, it is very correctly said that child's work is play. Okay, play is the fundamental right to every child. उनको सिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Right.
They are born with it. It is us who have to learn how to play with them. The child is born to play, but it is us as parents. We need to learn how to play with them. There are many mothers, who come up to me and say कि हमारा बच्चा तो खेलता ही नहीं है, हमारा बच्चा तो engage ही नहीं होता है. And after seeing my toddler's video, they're like, how is she even sitting? So I sometimes goes live also. कि see guys, she is there, she's sitting, and I'm doing nothing with her. It's just that you have to be very child centric. Play has few steps to it. So first comes the sensory play. If your child
Okay.
is not, see, it is a level wise thing. If your child is not engaged in the sensory play, he can never go to the above ladder and go and projectively play with that toy. So sensory play is very important. And what is sensory play? To get aware about the senses. So the first year and a half, you have to give them a lot of sensory play. Sensory stimulation हमको और आपको भी चाहिए. Do you like hearing music or maybe, dancing sometime to just cherish your mood?
Yeah, of
What are you
course.
doing? You are providing that sensory stimulation to yourself.
Right.
That is what you are requiring at that moment. Like for me, music is a therapy. I can do anything when there's music, and especially Punjabi music around me. I can literally do the hardest part that I'm afraid of also. But same thing might be stimulating you. So all of us need sensory stimulation. And when the kid is there, they require this sensory stimulation a lot because पहले हमको वो कहते हैं ना स्वयं को जानना जरूरी है. So it is very
Yes.
important to know yourself, to know your body parts, to know about how you feel when you are given mud, how you feel when you are given water. So it is all about developing their sensory stimulation in the first 1.5 year. Even after that, no one is there who doesn't like to play with clay. Toddlers love to do it. It's again a sensory stimulation. But in the first few years of their life, it is very important to let them engage themselves in sensory, because sensory will give them self awareness. Then comes the project. जब वो खुद को जान जाएंगे, then they will be able to, figure out things around them. First, the baby is trying to play with hands, take the hands in mouth, take the toe in mouth, sensory stimulation. And then when the baby is able to stand after a lot of repetition, they try to touch the things around. Table पे कुछ पड़ा होगा, वो नीचे ही मिलेगा. Right? And it is not the story with my kid or your kid. Every kid is doing it because they are exploring the environment around them. And always remember, the amount of exposure you give to the environment is their world. If you want to give less, it is your wish. If you want to give more expansion to their brain, it is your wish. People come to me and ask me, पहले तो नहीं करते थे. ये सब आजकल की माओं के, things हो गई हैं. So
Exactly.
just to let you know, first of all, a lot of sensory stimulation was provided because one, you were living in a joint family. Second, you used to take child out. They used to play in mud. They used to play with stones. They used to feel that texture. They used to feel that voice, the noise. घर में 10 जन होते थे, उनकी वॉइस ही इतनी अलग अलग होती थी. कोई म्यूजिक सुन रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है. Then they used to go to the garden, the birds. So a lot of sensory stimulation was there. And now, because of security reason and now pandemic, the child is actually inside and is lacking somewhere behind, and we want the best for a child, and I think it is 0% expenditure. You can give that exposure from everything that is there in your house. So when we want everything best to be in the child, I guess we should invest this time, because these golden years, the first 3 years, make a child very, very self independent, trust me. So it is very important to give that exposure, the sensory play to your child, so that they can understand their self, and then slowly they will come and do. Like for example, you have a stacking ring, right? Your objective is कि बच्चा उसको सही से order में डाल ले. But for child, they can bang it, they can rotate it, they can turn it around, they can throw it, they can do everything from that. They can mouth it. There's a logic behind mouthing also. Because the major, the brain registers a major through mouth and hand. यही दो, कान से तो कुछ सिर्फ सुनने का काम कर सकते हैं, right? Eyes, mouth and hand are very vital sensory organs. Because hand say they can take it to mouth, they can understand that okay, it is not something to take it in mouth. They can vision. So all the sensory organs are somehow connected. The child is banging one thing, he is getting the sensory stimulation, the auditory reflex is also developing, and the visual stimulation of continuous doing is also developing. So we don't know till हम कहते हैं ना, बच्चा एकदम दिन पे दिन बढ़ता जाता है. So these all things are very important, and I really say it is not expensive. You can get anything from your kitchen and make a sensory bin out of it. You don't have to buy expensive sensory bins. Chawal, rajma, maida, rava, everything can add into your sensory bin. So if it is that simple and it is that easy and it is that effective, why not to provide the child with that? Any form of learning that you have to do, you should actually ideally go through play way method, because the child is very much engaged in play. उनको सबसे अच्छा लगता ही play करना. Okay, Divya, if I give you a time to play with me around, would you like it or not?
Of course.
You will like playing with your child or not?
Of course.
But then there is one question that I've usually asked, मेरा बच्चा तो खेलता ही नहीं है, क्यों ऐसा है? The reason behind is because you have an objective कि उसको stacking ring में stack order में करना चाहिए. There it is not a play anymore. You have decided an objective to it, right?
Right.
In the initial few years, the play should be child centric. For example, the child is banging the ring and not stacking it. Is there nothing he can learn? There are many things that they can learn by banging also. This concept of sound. Okay? There are many things. So you have to be very narrative. Just be narrative and not to be instructive. That's what I always say. Be narrative in the childhood and stop being instructive. Because once you are narrative, they understand live commentary. When you do that, they understand what they are doing. So it is very important to be child centric, then putting your objective. Because once you
I
put
have
your
observed this
objective to
many
it,
times. Actually, like when they are observing TV, like when they are glued to TV, we don't say like ऐसे देखो, वैसे देखो, इधर से देखो, या फिर उधर से देखो. We never give any instructions. That's why a child is very much attracted towards that screen time because we don't have so many instructions.
and
But when
yeah,
yeah.
continue.
But
What were you
why,
saying?
like when a child eats something, तो ऐसे नहीं खाना है, वैसे नहीं खाना है, पैर ठीक
गंदा
से
मत
रखो, हाथ
करो,
ठीक से
गिराओ
रखो,
मत.
ऐसे मत गिराओ. हाँ, so
So,
how many?
I'll
It
just
also
tell you
depends.
one thing here.
Yeah,
In some part of their brain, they don't understand logics, right? Because, like I said, it's right side dominance now. They understand everything abstract only. उनको logic नहीं समझ आता है. It's
yeah.
okay because I have many times a request to be Hindi, English, both. It's okay with your page, or shall I continue in English only?
नहीं, you can speak anything like.
Yeah. So they don't register that. They don't have that logic. But what here comes the parent's role is appreciation, right?
Yeah.
If you appreciate the child, उनको समझ आएगा कि हाँ ये मैंने कुछ अच्छा किया है and I have got appreciation to it. Like the old days are gone when carrot and stick was the approach. Now it's different. Now
Yeah.
it's about appreciating. If you don't, कई बार child बहुत bang कर रहा है चीज को. They need your attention. They are doing just because of attention. But if you start उस attention में हम उनको चिल्लाते हैं कि मत करो ऐसा ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो ये, उनको logic नहीं समझ आने. कितना भी समझा लो, you need to be helpful, you need to be obedient, you need to be, they will not understand. उनमें इतना logic ही नहीं है. That logical brain develops till the age of 24. Imagine उनके emotions, उनके logics, that it is that speed.
Okay.
Have you seen yourself when you were a teen and when you were 24? There was a lot of difference in your logics, right? More clearance
Right.
was there. So we just tend to forget it. A child actually doesn't understand logic very clearly. Yes, they can connect after age of 6, 7, but they cannot actually understand the whole out of it. They cannot actually understand the whole emotions also. So it is very important, if you want to get any behavior to be repeated, just appreciate it. अगर आप बुरी चीज को बढ़ावा देंगे, उसमें आप नो कहेंगे, वो और चीज करने लग जाएंगे. अगर आप अच्छी चीज में अप्रिसिएशन करेंगे तो वो उस चीज को करने लग जाएंगे. They just manifest what you say and what you give attention on.
Very true.
So this beauty of right brain is that stop going into logics with them. They will not understand. They just understand the abstract, they just understand being creative. They understand being messy. अगर बच्चा खाना नहीं गिराएगा तो क्या आप और हम गिराएंगे खाना? So true. And for example, if you have a child who's messing around with the food, it's not actually messing around. They're feeling the texture. They're giving that
Yes.
sensory stimulation. When they put it in the mouth like this, they put it in the mouth like this, they're trying to figure out with their hand movements itself. So a child is much more in a learning phase than what you and me are. Right?
Very true.
So just let them be. Just don't stop their doors. They just don't stop or close their doors of understanding just because they're creating mess. or they're not listening to you. And like you said about TV time and screen time, do you know why do they do that? अभी हम सब एक रूम में बैठे हैं. We all have a mobile in our hand. Someone is doing Insta, someone is doing WhatsApp, someone is doing this, someone is doing that. चाइल्ड को लगता है कि मुझसे ज्यादा अच्छा काम तो ये लोग कर रहे हैं. मेरे को भी मोबाइल हाथ में चाहिए क्योंकि दे आर डूइंग मच बेटर थिंग. बट ट्रस्ट मी, इफ यू स्टार्ट एंगेजिंग विथ योर चाइल्ड इन प्ले, the child will leave that mobile and sit with you for playing. So it is very important that you engage. You know, it is because of the high technology that everything is so glazy, everything is so lightning around the LED TVs and everything, that the child's mind is actually very the reflexes are getting very fast nowadays. The brain is getting a very high reflex. To calm that, you have to engage the child in play. आप अकेले बोल देंगे कि अकेले बैठ के खेलो, that is not possible with a toddler. They need you. So the best thing that you as a parent can give to your child is your time and play. That's it. Play में अपने आप bonding भी बढ़ जाएगी, love भी बढ़ जाएगा, care भी बढ़ जाएगा, everything will be sorted.
तो श्रुति, वन प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क, बिकॉज जैसे टॉडलर्स जैसे 2 to 3 years तक हम उसको छोड़ ही नहीं सकते. दे ऑलवेज नीड अस व्हेन प्लेइंग. We
So
cannot
true.
expect independent play. So for example, like a mother is working, or for example a mother, like lots of work we have,
I
no? So
understand.
like,
Yeah.
so what are some practical ways in which we can, without us, is there any way to engage the child in certain activities
Yes, definitely. At this, the rescue is
except
sensory play.
TV?
At this, the
Yeah.
rescue is sensory play. Okay. Like
Okay.
I'm in a 4 generation family. हम मेरे बच्चों के परदादा परदादी भी हैं. तो definitely workload, everything is there. But when the toddler is around, when I am working in the kitchen, what we do is we just वहीं पे उसका we just create a sensory bin for her. She is doing and likewise she is under the observation also, right?
Yeah.
And she is doing some of the other thing. Messy create करेगी ना. But you cannot leave that unattended, and you cannot leave the family starving also. So you have to
Yes.
find a
Yes.
balance, and that's where the sensory play comes in. You know, the kids can find play in just peeling the badam ka peel also. They can find play in every little thing, and they are learning in every little thing. For example, you know, if you give your toddler to peel that almond, for example, I'm giving you, they are learning the fine motor skills. They are learning the hand-eye coordination and concentration. But हम कहाँ कराते हैं? हमको लगता है कि play तो सिर्फ expensive ही होना चाहिए. But trust me, the child is more engaged if you're talking to them. While working also, if you're talking to them, if you are narrating them, it is very, very easy to connect with your child. And I understand many of the mothers are working also. Like, you know, they have pandemic, maybe they have to homeschool a child, you know, they have to work from
Yeah.
home, and many things are there. But at this note, I will say that spending many hours is not required with the child. Spending a quality time is required. अभी हम एक
Correct.
एग्जाम्पल देते हैं कि मैंने 3 घंटा मूवी देखी है मेरे बच्चे के साथ. मैंने तो बहुत टाइम स्पेंड किया बच्चे के साथ. Is it time spending? Is it the quality time? Talking about that movie for 15 minutes also is quality time.
Yes.
So there's a lot of difference between quantity time and quality time. You cannot, I understand you cannot sit throughout the day, but yes, 10 minutes in a day, if you can divide it and see the difference in your child, your child will be much calmer, much attached to you. So
That
it is
is
very
entertainment,
important.
and this is activity. And when a child is involved, that is known as activity. And when we see a movie or something, nobody is involving in anything.
That's
So,
something known as passive and active.
correct. Shruti has freezed again. Let's just wait. Like, there's power cut going on in her house. So maybe that's the problem. Okay, let me try to reconnect her. Okay.
Hi. Actually,
No
there's law.
issues.
It is the atmosphere around because it's too windy here, so it's raining
Okay.
outside. So I
But
guess
I'm
it's because of
fortunate enough that this has not disconnected. Otherwise, I would
yeah.
have gone outside. This is so
No.
interesting.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm so
please
sorry about
continue.
it. So, like I was saying, playing is all about engagement with your child, and that there's nothing as beautiful as play because बच्चों को आता ही सिर्फ खेलना है. ज्ञान तो हम लगा देते हैं. It is
हाँ.
because of the peer pressure, academics, and everything that we want the child to learn ABCD and 1, 2, 3, 4 at a particular age. But we hardly focus on the emotional stability. I always say that EQ is way above than IQ. For example,
Yes.
Divya, there are 4, 5 siblings in a family, and everyone is born from the same womb, but still
Okay.
all are different because it may be the nurture mother is always doing the best for the child, but the surrounding also affects a lot.
True.
So it is the nature is giving you the the nature is dealt the cards, but the environment is playing it for you. The nature has given you the cards. It's the nurturing that you give plays the cards for you. So definitely the amount of reading, the amount of happiness. हम बच्चों को सिर्फ पीयर प्रेशर के कारण अभी ABCD 1, 2, 3, 4 सिखाना चालू कर देते हैं एंड वो प्रेशर दैट द मदर इज हैविंग उसके बच्चे को तो इतना आता है यार मेरे बच्चे को तो अभी नहीं आता यू आर ट्रांसफरिंग योर प्रेशर टू द चाइल्ड एंड देन यू वांट अ
Exactly.
हैप्पी चाइल्ड हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल till the age of 3 just enjoy and if I understand you have to give a lot of learnings till the age of 3 also why not use the play way like the other day yesterday only I just made a small setup for her and we had a puzzle she was trying to do it at that moment I really don't want her to know all the shapes but I can be narrative right she's enjoying that water sensory bin I can be narrative that you are squeezing a triangle when she's holding just be narrative kids will learn I never taught my toddler she's 16 months I never taught her I never sat her and actually taught her about fruits she's eating a banana oh wow you're eating a banana she's in the kitchen see this is an apple just do it
Exactly.
repetition the child needs repetition the neurons that are there in the brain जितना repetition मिलेगा उतना strong synapses बनेगा
And suddenly
right
they'll ask me, Mama, I want banana. And you'll be
yes
shocked, like, oh my
there
God.
are many
They have
things that
amazing grasping power.
they have amazing grasping power the way they connect is next level so yes it is
Exactly.
very important to play a lot like I have got those dummy things she loves water play so I just put it inside the water bin and she just keeps washing it is so easy and we are just after life make a apple make a banana just let them play engage with them if you sit and engage with your child they will definitely learn और ABCD
Exactly.
1, 2, 3, 4 तो आपको और मेरे को सबको आ जाना है इट इज अबाउट द EQ इट इज अबाउट द हैप्पीनेस दैट यू कैन टीच इट इज अबाउट द
लुकिंग
इमोशन
बैक एट द इयर्स आपको और मुझे याद नहीं है कि हम 2 years में सीखे थे या 3 years में सीखे थे या 5 years में सीखे थे एट द एंड ऑफ
पर
द डे
आज
हमको
तक
आता
याद
है
है
आपको
राइट
आता है
आज तक
दैट्स
याद है
इट
see but what is like I was saying in the sibling also there is one who has a different perspective शुरू में we can understand but later they can when they are into their teens जो बेस बनेगा वो टीनेजर adolescence उससे भी आगे तक कंटिन्यू रहेगा so it is very important to give emotional stability the EQ level to your child and that comes only by investing
कनेक्शन
playing with your child because if your
राइट
child is seeing you वो ही emotions वो धारण करेगा as so called it is very important to understand play with your child
Right. So
so
how should a play setup be? Like how should we design like if at all we anyhow we will buy play toys, right?
yeah
Anyhow
definitely it
we
is very important also it is somehow
yeah.
important but I have mothers asking me that मेरे बच्चे तो है ना मैंने मैग्ना टाइल खरीद के दिया इतना महंगा है पर वो तो एंगेज ही नहीं होते so never be forcefully never make your child hand on hand forceful engagement because that will not work like जैसे कोई बुक है आपने उस बच्चे को दे दी हार्ड बाउंड बुक just give it to your child let him explore once they are satisfied with that sensory stimulation they will engage हम क्या होता है फर्स्ट डे ही पजल लाते हैं, ये तो सर्कल को सर्कल में ही लगाना है, स्क्वायर को स्क्वायर में ही लगाना है. Let them pick it up, let them throw, let them engage for few days. They will slowly and steadily try to put that piece by themselves. These little learners actually have a very strong cognitive development जो दिखता नहीं है, but they have a very strong cognitive development when they're using their senses. What you as a parent can do is just slowly, for example, I really don't have a puzzle here. If you have a puzzle, you can just slowly demonstrate them without saying anything. Just demonstrate it very slowly, once or twice in front of them when they are doing it or when they are around. Don't be instructive, just slowly do it and see the difference. They will pick it so quickly because all the senses are actually being engaged. They are so engaged in seeing you and hearing you that they will quickly pick up. और बच्चा जो चीज सीख सकता है ना, वो हमारा और आपका लेवल होता ही नहीं.
एग्जैक्टली, बहुत सही कहा आपने.
anything it be. The other day, I really don't remember, it was some years back, my son was there on a hoverboat. वो एक skating type of होता है. In 5 minutes, he was doing like a pro. He was just 5 years and he was balancing that skate like a pro. And I was like, मैं तो खड़ी भी नहीं हो पा रही हूँ इस पे. So don't underestimate your child. The power they
Yes.
have, you also don't have. As a parent, what you can do is just learn the art to play. And this is very simple. First, be child-centric, be narrative. Don't let your objectives intervene their play. Once you intervene your objectives to it, the focus of play is gone. Play मतलब enjoyment होता है, objective नहीं होता है. Once you put your objective, you have a mindset कि यार आज तो मेरे को ये सिखा के ही उठना है. No, if the child is not putting it in the order, it's okay. You can teach them about colors. Okay, the child is holding a blue color. Oh, you're holding a blue color. Then you can know. So by this, you're also making the child learn about resilient. Right? You're making the child learn about flexibility. कि एक चीज से हम बहुत सारी चीजें सीख सकते हैं. ये सब चीजें वो अभी से सीखने लग जाते हैं, पता है? The child is able to understand the law of gravity as soon as they start throwing things. That early, they don't know the concept. You cannot teach the logic to them. But because
But
of
they
their
know the cause
repetitive
and effect.
behavior, yes, because of the cognitive development, because of the repetitive behavior they have, they understand that कोई भी चीज गिराएंगे नीचे गिरे. Have you seen a child always, a toddler maybe, 12 to 14, 15 months, वो हर चीज उठा के नीचे ही गिराते हैं.
Right.
पानी नीचे गिराएंगे, बॉल नीचे गिरेगा, ऊपर भी उछालेंगे तो नीचे. They are somehow understanding.
Nine things.
They are somehow understanding the law of gravitation without knowing the concept. So we underestimate the power of that little house. The powerhouse they have, we underestimate it. And then we tend to think कि हम बच्चे को helpful होना सिखाएंगे, obedient होना. इतने बड़े बड़े भारी भारी words उनके सामने बोलेंगे जो उनको समझ ही नहीं आने हैं. So just
That's what,
appreciate.
in simple language, as parents, we need to resist that urge of tokna. Once we master in that, things will automatically turn out beautiful. हम expect भी नहीं करेंगे.
I really don't understand that these little angels are giving you to live that moment again, and I guess you get only 2 chances, sometimes 1 also. ठीक है? हम आजकल ज्यादा से ज्यादा 1 या 2 बच्चे करते हैं. 2 मौके मिलने हैं वापस से बचपन जीने को. Enjoy it ना. Why do you have to be in the rush? Just play with them, just enjoy it, just make
Actually,
their
you are
life and your
shooting.
life beautiful.
The problem is, ऐसे कोई इंटेंशनली नहीं करते हैं, बट मोस्टली पेरेंट्स को पता नहीं होता है कि ऐसे
That's
करने
what I'm
की
saying.
इफेक्ट क्या है.
Yeah, that's
क्योंकि
what I'm saying.
they have seen
Means
their
they're not
parents.
mastered.
Exactly, they have seen their parents, they have seen their dadas and all. They have always like ऐसे करो, वैसे करो, वैसे करो, ऐसे करो. So they also just imitate their parents. So they don't know the effect of their behavior. But
See,
because
here I really want to say that the motive, yesterday I realized that हमने जब इस पेज को शुरू किया था, the motive was to bring this awareness because there are many things जो हमारे parents ने नहीं किए, right?
Exactly.
मोबाइल उन्होंने कभी नहीं चलाया था, आज के बच्चे चला रहे. हम इन सब चीजों में तो बहुत आगे बढ़ जाते हैं, हम इन सब चीजों में तो बहुत जल्दी एक्सेप्टिंग हो जाते हैं. बट जब ये चीजों में चेंजेस लाने का कहा जाता है, तो अब हमारे बड़े भी कहते हैं कि हमने बच्चे नहीं पैदा किए हैं क्या. So it is the time to bring that awareness parents, because you and me as youth can bring this change, and the new way of learning through play or parenting, which needs a lot of appreciation and which needs a lot of love and care provided to the child. And I guess somehow we have seen results also. The child is more stable. The child, somehow I feel that we also tend to lose our temper, and we are also somehow not very emotionally stable. क्या हम वही चीज हमारे बच्चों को, हमको पता ही नहीं होता है कि हमारे को हुआ क्या है, क्या हम वही चीज हमारे बच्चों को देना चाहते हैं? Every generation wants to give a little better to the child, right? So let's start from the womb to these early years, because like I always say, if you give me a child for 7-8 years, I'll give you an adult there. And it is very easy to build a child than to repair a broken man. बहुत आसान है बच्चे को बड़ा करना, रेस करना एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड के साथ, बट इट इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट कि एक टूटे हुए आदमी को वापस से ठीक करना. इट नीड्स अ लॉट फॉर दैट. कितना ही पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशंस कर लो 20-30 के बाद, but it needs a lot to get into that thinking. So somehow I really want this to go to all the parents, that it is very important to build that EQ in your child. IQ will follow. अगर आपका बच्चा इमोशनली स्टेबल है, वो जानता है अपने इमोशंस को कैसे प्ले करना है, हम कैसे, कितने तरह के इमोशंस होते हैं, क्या होता है, किस तरह हमको उनको पोर्ट्रेट करना है, and they are learning everything from you. They are little monkeys. They see and they do.
Exactly.
वो हम कहते हैं ना, हमारी कैप पहन रखी है मंकी ने, उसको हम फेंकेंगे तो वो भी फेंकेगा. So they are little monkeys. They see and they do. So it is very important to model things in front of them that you actually want them to do.
Exactly. So हम ना बात करते करते कहीं और पहुंच गए. It was so interesting that we missed out the main question, that how should a play setup be?
So the play setup has nothing to do with expensive things. In the initial year, like I was saying, it is first about sensory play. The sensory play is everything from your kitchen, and it starts from very beginning. Initially, when the child is born, 0 to 3 months, you have to show them those black and white cards. If not flashcards, you can just take out the normal printout that is very cheap again. So because the vision needs to get strong, you can make them smell different things. This is also again a very important part, because when we take the food inside, we smell it also. So this olfactory and gestation both are connected. So it is very important. Other than taste, till 6 months, rest all the exposure you can give by sensory play. You can make them feel different fabrics, right? You can give that sensory bottle and all these things. You can make, these are very easy DIYs that you can do it at your home. The sensory bottles, just add some oil, water and different colors to it and just create that bottle. Off and on, you can change it also. The rattle play, sound, jor se dheere. So this is initially for the first 6 months. When the child tend to have the weight on their back, that time you can actually introduce a lot of tummy time is again very important, right? So when you're giving a tummy time, you can give them a book. So the visual stimulation, aajkal to touch and feel books bhi aati hai, you can give them that. Right. If you don't want to buy that, also you can create, you have many dupattas in your house, you can just create some fabrics on a carton box and just put it in front of the child, and the child will touch and feel it. They're actually registering that there are different kind of things, and मैं कोई एक चीज को छू के अलग फील कर सकता हूँ, कुछ दूसरी चीज को छू के अलग फील कर सकता हूँ, right? So it is very important to give that tactile stimulation. And then once the baby is around 6-7 months, it's way easy, because you can introduce those sensory bins. You can put them into the booster chairs, and you can paste some toys. My page is all about sensory things, so if anyone wants to see, they can see it also. Put some toys and tape them, and the child will try to pull it out. So it is again a very good fine motor and a gross motor skill development. Then talk to a child a lot. In the womb itself, the talking begins, and a talking is a therapy to them, right? The more you talk, the more language development will happen. So talk to them, read good books to them, sing to them, dance with your baby. When you dance with your baby, the spatial awareness and the vestibular awareness is developed. So it is very important to take your baby and just dance around. It is again a very good way of making the baby understand the different, कि ऐसे करने से ऐसे कर, they get a different reflex. So it is all about providing them different reflex. What are we doing by sensory stimulation? It is about providing them different reflex in a very secured way. So the first year, attachment theory works a lot. Never leave your baby crying कि अरे रो रहा है ना 5 मिनट और रोएगा तो अच्छे से दूध पिएगा. No, don't do that, because
Yeah.
that's not the correct way. At this moment, till the first 13-14 months, the baby need you and your attention, because it is developing the secure attention in them, the secure attachment. I mean, it's कि हाँ, I have someone. जब ये सिक्योरिटी आती है, आज आपके पास वो सिक्योरिटी है कि you have your husband around, how do you feel?
Yeah.
That's the same.
very
The
protected.
level of security that you give to the newborn is the level of their brain development also. They are more
Correct.
happier. So it is उनका need ही क्या होता है? एक तो टॉयलेट करेंगे, poo करेंगे या दूध, milk. So just don't leave them unattended. There are many mothers who say, okay, 5-7 मिनट और रो लेगा तो they will feed better, but that's not correct.
Because they don't know, again, that is the problem. Awareness is not there,
Yes,
and
yeah,
moreover,
because that is not correct. Likewise, also because there's a brain alarming system, and यहाँ नीचे यहाँ the first brain, the cerebral, वहाँ पे बच्चों का this alarm gets, the alarming state starts, and that actually releases stress hormones.
okay.
So it is that important. हम दिन भर बच्चों को चिल्लाते रहते हैं, वो एक टाइम के बाद फ्रीज हो जाते हैं, उनको कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता और हम सोचते हैं कि बच्चा कुछ सुन नहीं रहा है, बट वो हार्मोन्स ब्रेन रिलीज करने लग जाता है कि यार फ्रीज होना ही बेटर है, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा मुझे वो. Okay, so it is very important to give that secure attachment to the child, and once you give that secure attachment, truly your child will play way better when they are engaged. अगर कई बार होता है ना, हम थोड़ा सा काम कर लें बच्चों को यहाँ play में लगा के, we can also work, and sometimes we go out and still that child is not cranky, and some kids की मम्मा चली गई बहुत रो रहे हैं. It is because of this secure attachment which is not built in the early first year. They always have that insecurity, that alarming phase is always on. So provide a lot of security in that sense, in the attachment sense, to the child in the first year. And this can be done a lot through by a play, when you engage them in sensory plays and when you are a part of it. Never, leave a child unattended. So you're always a part of their sensory play. That bounding, जैसे ही वो bounding बन गई, relationship अपने आप हो जाता है, भले वो फिर बच्चों के साथ हो या किसी और के साथ हो.
Any relation.
Bonding is very important. So this is something, they are the only one who have heard you from inside, your heartbeat from inside. So इनके साथ तो bonding बहुत जरूरी है भाई.
सही है, सही है. So Shruti, if you can tell us something about holistic brain development, what is it?
So, like we were talking about left and right brain, right? So, left has its own way of working, right brain has its own way of working, right?
Yeah.
But slowly after 3 years or something, the left brain takes over, and the more of analytical thinking, the academic pressure and everything starts going. What holistic development is, when the right and क्या हम चाहते हैं सिर्फ हमारी left brain काम करे या right brain काम करे? नहीं ना. We want a coordination between them, and how this coordination, develops is through play. Because when you are playing, you are using both your hands. Bilateral coordination is being developed, right? And for that matter, I have introduced both hand writing also to my child. Because when you are doing that, it is, first of all, it is helping in a lot of concentration building, because it requires a lot of concentration, right? Second thing, what do you do from your left hand? Okay, that is controlled by the right side of the brain, and what you do from your right hand is controlled from the left side of the brain. This is brain lateralization. That is very बहुत technical में चला जाता है. But अगर आप देखेंगे, when there is a paralytic stroke also, if there is a left side stroke, your right side will not work.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah.
So there is a reason to it. और अगर आप इसको meditation purpose से भी देखते हैं, so हमारा जो left नाड़ी है वो और right नाड़ी है, ईड़ा और पिंगला नाड़ी, left crosses from here and right crosses from here, There's this
Okay.
chakra that makes it cross. Okay.
Okay.
So the left side is very so the left functioning of the hand. अगर आप left hand है तो right side dominant है. अगर आप right hand है तो left side dominant है. Usually this happens, but at this moment what we are talking about is how play can develop a holistic development in brain. जब हम खेल रहे होते हैं, जब बच्चा खेल रहा होता है अर्ली इयर्स में, दे आर नॉट नोइंग कि हम लेफ्ट हैंड डोमिनेटेड है कि राइट हैंड डोमिनेंट है, राइट? दे आर एंगेजिंग बोथ द हैंड्स टुगेदर. When you give them a sensory bin, they are engaging both the hands together. Right? So this is how they are developing a holistic brain development, where the right and the left are getting coordinated to work. And you know, there is a study also. There are sometimes when you get injury also, right? If you have particular kind of injury, the left is kind enough to take over the right ka actions also, and the right is kind enough to take over the left ka action also. The brain is very friendly, you see. The brain is very friendly. If you have some problem in your right side, the left will come over and help. वो उसकी चीजें भी help में लेता है. So it is a very, in a layman language, they are very friendly. There was one movie also, you know, Jagga Jasoos, if you don't remember. There's a logic behind. He used to stammer, but when it was provided, because of some stammering and all this is left side ka okay? When the rhythm was provided, the right took over कि rhythm जब आएगा वो stammer करना भूल जाएगा. This is the very small example जो movie में बताया भी नहीं गया था, but what I could take from it. So it is very beautifully said that both the brains work in coordination. There's no rush or no fight between them. It's just what dominance is there is actually what is building your traits, right? So हमारे society के pressure के कारण we give a lot of dominance to the left side. Performance, analytical and all these things. But if you give a balance, you know, art, play is an art. Play ही एक ऐसी चीज है जिसमें music भी allowed है, art भी allowed है, drawing भी allowed है, messy play भी allowed है. So if you give them that play time, the child will definitely develop into a very holistically developed brain. So it is very important to give a lot of play time to the child. Open-ended toys क्या हैं? Abstract designing है, isn't it? When you give them those Legos, they are coming up with different things. They are doing they're actually giving their वो अपना थोड़ा सा logical thinking एक abstract form में ला रहे हैं. आप समझ रहे हैं मैं क्या बोलना चाह रही हूँ?
So it's like for example, if we are just totally concentrating on the left brain, okay, right brain, okay, with all the sensory play and everything stuff. So the other things will automatically develop. We don't have
Definitely.
to concentrate.
See, sensory play is not only working on your left side, right side. It is the human brain. बच्चे की brain ही develop है right dominance के लिए. By default, it is brain developed like that, right?
Okay.
By default, it is developed to build in the right way, right side में, because it is abstract, because it is creativity. बच्चों को आता ही यही है. Slowly, the left comes over, and then the better the coordination, the better the understanding is towards the line. So in the initial only, if you provide that play time and all these things to the child, it will definitely help in building a holistic way of development. And by holistic development, I also mean not only through only brain, but holistic development जो play से आता है, it is social, it is cognitive, it is fine motor, it is gross motor, it is physical, it is intellectual, and then it is being socially acceptable. There are many things जब आप एक play कर रहे होते हैं, बच्चा आपसे ये सब चीजें भी सीख रहा होता है. Being how to be social when they are going in a group. You know, there are different ways of play when you are unoccupied. Self play होता है जब बच्चा खुद से खेल रहा है. And then there is you know, a kind of दो बच्चे हैं पर वो अपना अपना खेल रहे हैं. They are self occupied. फिर दो बच्चे हैं वो धीरे धीरे एक दूसरे का देख रहे हैं, बट कर अपना ही रहे. Somehow they are seeing कि हाँ ये भी हो सकता है, right?
Yes.
Then there is a stage when the kids are actually understanding कि हाँ चलो अपन मिलके भी खेल सकते हैं. So this is a particular stage. I've made the post. I'll repost it again. You can also share for your viewers.
Sure.
So there is a particular stage of play, right? And slowly and steadily they tend to interact with each other. Till toddler age, till 3 4, they are very happy in their self only. But slowly there is a transition when they actually want others to involve. They understand ki haan, others we, they can also play with me, they can put input in me, in my whatever thing I'm making. So it is very important, because play is only one thing that can connect you, me, or the child. So if you give them a lot of playtime, being child centric, understanding to them, listening to them, वो बना के
Yeah.
कुछ ले आए और आपने बोल दिया बहुत अच्छा है, वही खत्म हो गया. उनका समझना कि उन्होंने क्या बनाया है develops their cognitive development. So these are small little things that we have to take in consideration. And I really wish all the parents that play a lot, get a lot of engagement with your child, love your child, cuddle your child, and that's all early childhood is about. कोई rocket
Yeah.
science नहीं है इसमें.
Very true. So it's like, before wrapping it up, would you like to say some few words, like if at all you have missed something or you want to add on to it?
So, like I always say, these years will never come back. Not for you, not for them also. Just spend a lot of time with them. Just love them. Just don't pass your stress and your judgments to them. And what,
Insecurities too.
sorry?
Insecurities too. We should not like pass
Yeah,
on those also.
definitely, because they look up high on you. You are their role model. Just don't, it is all about your way of parenting. It is all about, अगर आप बहुत positively हर चीज को देखेंगे, अगर आप बहुत positively see, it is about ABC approach. There's one particular approach that is a behavior approach. In everyone it is there. The activator, belief and consequences. अगर activator और consequences set हैं, it's only the belief that matters. And you and me as a parent have different beliefs. There are many things that I may not agree to. There are many things that you may not agree to. And every parent, every parent may differ in this. And it is about every relation. It is not about child or you. It is about every relation. So always be open, because once you as a mother or as a parent are open towards different thing, you're accepting, then only the progression, the progressiveness will happen. हम एक्सेप्ट ही करने को तैयार नहीं है कोई चीज को, तो फिर कैसे चीजें सुधरेगी, राइट?
That's the first step.
the accepting कि हाँ मुझे ये नहीं आता है, मुझे सीखना है, मुझे एडवाइस लेना है, is absolutely okay. We all
Yes.
are learning. I am learning something from you. You are learning something from me. I'm learning something from my 15-month also.
Very
Okay. So we all are learning. Accept it. It is life. It is just it is a process. It is not a destination. So just let it be processed. Just evolve. There are many things. Play ideas. You can see my page. If not, you can see it from internet. It's just how creative you can be. How much time you can spend. Resources तो बहुत जनों के पास होते हैं, पर टाइम स्पेंड करना नहीं होता है. बच्चे को
Correct.
10 मिनट में भी इतना बोल देंगे, वो भले फिर आधी घंटा वो ही आपके साथ स्पेंड नहीं करना चाहेगा. So when you are with your child, just keep your temperament, keep everything that has happened to you in the day outside your room. They are waiting for you for your love, not your screen. अगर आपके साथ दिन में कुछ बुरा हुआ है तो उनकी गलती नहीं है, right? So just keep everything that you have outside that room, outside that door, and then come in with a new mood, new freshness. And remember one thing, इनसे तो आप पॉजिटिविटी लेके जाएंगे. अगर आप ब्लैंक होके इनके पास, बच्चों के पास आएंगे ना, इनसे आप खुशी ही लेके जाएंगे. इनको आता ही वही है देना.
Shruti, I always say, that wish I live like my toddler. I always say that because they're so pure. They're so pure. I always say this. Wish I can live like that, because that life, na, they don't have any grudges, they don't have any revenge, they don't have any
आप
negative
डांटोगे तो
feelings.
भी आप ही सबसे अच्छे रहो.
हाँ, डांटेंगे फिर भी आके मुझे पकड़ लेगी, हग कर लेगी. Can we do that? If someone slaps me, can I go and hug them? Never. That's the beauty
even
in
I used to
toddlerhood.
think so. Even I am practicing that. But if you get meditation in your life, that's what have changed me. If you get meditation in your life and every night you forgive, even I am
Correct.
working on it. We all are learners, okay? There are times when I have
Yeah.
bad phase too. But जिस तरह की हम आदत बना लेते हैं ना, वो उसी तरह के हम होने लग जाते हैं. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. Belief plays a very important role.
Yeah,
Belief is the base of all the consequences.
relations also.
रिलेशन, हर चीज में बिलीफ अगर आपने अपना सुधार लिया, सो कितना भी एक्टिवेटर कोई बन जाए, कितना भी इवेंट कोई आपके लिए एक्टिवेटिंग बन जाए, इफ योर बिलीव इज स्ट्रांग, द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज आर इन योर हैंड. Right? It
Correct.
depends on you. Your belief. For example, your child has broken something. It's your belief कि चल ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. It's your belief. अरे कैसे, किसने कैसे तोड़ दिया, ध्यान नहीं रख सकता क्या कोई चीज का ये बच्चा. It is your belief and the consequences will follow. अगर आपका बिलीफ है कि कोई बात नहीं, बच्चा है, तो आप उस पर चिल्लाएंगे नहीं. अगर आप ही का बिलीव है कि ये बच्चा होते हुए ऐसा करे, तो आप उस पर डेफिनेटली चिल्लाएंगे. राइट? सो इट इज
Correct.
ऑल अबाउट योर बिलीफ. एक्टिवेटिंग इज ग्लास टूटना, वो तो इवेंट हो चुका है. उसके ऊपर आपका क्या बिलीफ है, दैट विल
It's
डिसाइड
the
योर
way we see
कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस.
things, it's our perspective. Because I have seen that I have turned a lot patient. Like I was not at all
Ask my
patient.
father. Ask my father what I have become now after being a mother. He's
My
like,
father, yeah, true. Even he was getting shocked कि तेरे को इतना patience कहाँ से आ रहा है? But my perspective changed after understanding child psychology, how they understand, like their way, when we see that their every action has a underlying belief that they have.
so
बिकॉज
true.
एवरी, वो कोई भी काम बिना कोई मतलब के नहीं करते हैं. अगर वो रो भी रहे हैं तो वो बिना कोई मतलब के नहीं रो रहे हैं. अगर वो फंसी भी हो रहे हैं तो बिना कोई मतलब के नहीं रो रहे हैं, मतलब फंसी नहीं हो रहे
कई बार
हैं. तो
कारण
वेन
हम
वी,
बन जाते हैं, पता है. कई बार
हाँ,
कारण फसीनेस का हम बन जाते हैं, क्योंकि हमने उनके टैंट्रम्स में इतना पहले इंटरवीन कर दिया है कि उनको समझ आ गया है कि यार अब तो मम्मा है ना, मेरे जोर के रोने से चुप हो जानी है, मेरी बात मान लेनी है, तो मैं और जोर से रोता हूँ. देखना आप कभी भी बच्चा एक पहला टैंट्रम थोड़ा सा कम देगा, सेकंड टैंट्रम बहुत बहुत लाउड देगा, क्योंकि
करेक्ट.
मम्मा पहली बार में इतने में तो इससे ज्यादा मैं मानी थी, लेट मी स्टार्ट क्राइंग ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द वॉइस ओनली. So it is about us, you know. If you have a strong no, if there are two kinds of rule. If it is a strict no, means a strict no, then the entire family will have to stick to it. And you know, likewise, it is again a very different topic. Parenting itself is a very
Exactly.
different
But
topic.
then everything is interesting when it comes to child.
Yeah, because
That is what I'm saying.
that is what is early childhood. You know, early child is nothing without the parents. उनके first
Correct.
teacher ही parents होते हैं. So they are learning
Correct.
a lot from you, and being a calm and a very someone asked me what is positive parenting. So I had only one answer to is being positive yourself. और positive और negative तो हम सबको मालूम है क्या होता है. आप इंटरनेट खोलो, ढेर सारे इमोशंस आ जाएंगे, कौन से पॉजिटिव और कौन से नेगेटिव है. बट इट इज हाउ वी टेक इट. एंड लिटरली kids have changed my life a lot. And
Mine too.
this meditation thing has changed me to become a very patient person, though sometimes we are human, होता है. But then if you have a belief कि नहीं यार मेरे को forgive करना ही है, then you tend to actually repeat it. And this thing I learned from my mother-in-law.
Actually, forgiving doesn't it will relieve you from the burden, not
So
someone
true.
else.
तीसरे को तो परवाह भी नहीं है, वो तो अपना पार्टी कर
Actually,
रहा है, आप यहाँ रो रहे हैं.
correct. Even I believe in that, Shruti. The thing is, when you keep adding on to the revenges and the stress and the negativities, you are connecting. The chains are growing heavier and heavier and heavier and heavier. So much heavier that you will get headache, you will get migraine and everything. Once you start breaking the chain every now and then you will be free.
So
You will,
true.
you
And
yourself will feel positive.
in meditation, we also talk about कि for example, you and me have an argument, right? मैं उन persons में से हूँ, I'm a more left oriented person. I go into emotions, I cry and I do and all सब चीजें मैं कर लेती हूँ. And you are someone who's right sided, चिल्ला लिया and अपना निकल लिया. At the end, दोनों को physical stress होना है, पर जो रोना गाना left sidedness ज्यादा रखता है, वो ज्यादा परेशानी उठाता है. एंड जिसके कारण झगड़ा हुआ, जिस टॉपिक के कारण, वो तो आउट ऑफ द पिक्चर हो जाता है. एंड वी बोथ आर एक्चुअली हार्मिंग आवर इमोशनल एंड फिजिकल स्टेबिलिटी. So it is very important to understand things from I do a lot of reading. I read a lot of books. I do a lot of meditation reading also. I have different books that I read on. And somehow, जो ये मैंने ईड़ा और पिंगला नाली का भी बताया, this we actually don't understand, and this is not written in any of the brain books. It is written in the meditation book that I read. That these left side and the right side nadis are also interconnected. They change. They come, left की नाड़ी right में आती है और right की नाड़ी left में जाती है. Now I guess हमारी talk बहुत ज़्यादा अलग direction में जा रही है.
No, but still it is very interesting.
Yeah, so that I really want to say that no human being is perfect, not me, not you. और जो बोलता है अपने आप को perfect में, वो तो बिल्कुल ही imperfect है. So there is no one as a perfect human. No one. We all are learning. We all have our minuses. We all have our plus. So it is just about strengthening on our strength than crying on our weaknesses.
एंड एज अ पेरेंट जितना ज्यादा हम इन्फॉर्म रहेंगे ना, उतना ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा कि नाउ आई एम नॉट एग्जैजरेटिंग दिस, बट नाउ आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट दैट कुछ भी हो जाए, कुछ भी बिहेवियरल इश्यूज आ जाए, आई कैन हैंडल इट.
So
दैट
true.
कॉन्फिडेंस आई हैव. सो दैट
And
इज
that
व्हाई
you will
फॉर
transfer
एवरी
to the
पेरेंट
child. That you will transfer
Exactly.
to the child. Recently I had one message from a mother and she was like, मेरे बच्चे को है ना ये कर लिया है आगे. मैंने बोला बच्चा विलिंगली कर रहा है देन इट्स ओके, बट अगर आपके प्रेशर में कर रहा है वो कभी भी उस चीज को एंजॉय नहीं कर पाएगा और बहुत लास्टिंग भी नहीं रहेगा. ओके,
Correct.
हियर आई टॉक वेरी प्रैक्टिकल. दिल तो पागल है का गाना आपको जरा भी आता है? या कोई भी गाना उससे भी पहले का कोई भी आप एक पुराना गाना गा के बता सकते हैं? एनी गुलाबी आंखें और समथिंग लाइक दैट, एनीथिंग.
हाँ
हमें याद है, राइट?
हाँ याद है मोस्टली.
क्यों याद है?
बिकॉज वी रिपीट इट, मे बी लाइक वो
Repeat it?
इच्छा के साथ, बिकॉज ऑफ द इंटरेस्ट.
Interest is very important, and there are different form of learners. कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनको ऑडिटरी, मुझे आप बोलेंगे तो मुझे याद रहेगा. कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनको लिखने की आदत होती है, लाइक माई एल्डर सिस्टर, वो सब चीज लिखती है और मुझसे तो लिखाता ही नहीं. मैं तो मैथ्स के सम भी नहीं लिख सकती थी. बट सबका अपना एक वे होता है लर्निंग का. सम आर किनेस्थेटिक, जिनको हैंड ऑन एक्टिविटीज. एंड बच्चा जो है, जो टॉडलर है, यू विल फाइंड देम ऑलवेज मल्टी सेंसरी. दे आर किनेस्थेटिक लर्नर. उनको अपने सारे ऑर्गन, सेंसरी, ऑडिटरी सब चीज यूज करके सीखना आता है. So in the early childhood, it is very important to engage in a very, multi-sensory way and in a very positive way to your child. बार बार चिल्लाने से उनको काम समझ आ रहा होता तो दिन भर ही चिल्ला लो.
नहीं, हमें भी नहीं समझ आता है. कोई हमें भी बार बार चिल्लाएगा तो हम भी नहीं, हम तो बस ऐसे इधर से आएगा और इधर से चला
That is what
जाएगा.
I'm saying. The brain. बच्चों
हम्म.
के साथ तो लॉजिक है ना, उनका जो ब्रेन है वो फ्रीज मोड पे चला जाता है. हमारे सामने अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन आई रियली वांट टू एक्सप्लेन दिस कंसेप्ट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक चीज आती है जिससे हम डरते हैं, घबराते हैं. हम किस तरह का रिएक्ट करते हैं? या तो हम वील फ्लाई, वील फ्रीज एंड वी विल फाइट टू इट. फ्लाई करना मतलब हम, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक डॉग आपके पीछे है, आप एकदम जोर से भागने लगेंगे, वो है फ्लाई मोड कि यार उस चीज से हम डर के भागने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, राइट? दूसरा मोड है जहां हम फाइट करते हैं. अगर हमारे पास कुछ है तो हम, है ना, लोग लकड़ी लेके चलते हैं वॉक करते टाइम, जैसे वो डॉग को मार देंगे वो कुछ नहीं करेगा. सो दैट इज द काइंड कि हम फाइट के मोड पे आ जाते हैं. और कई लोग हो होते हैं जिनकी तो एकदम सिट्टी गुल हो जाती है, एकदम लेमैन लैंग्वेज में दे आर फ्रोज. उनको समझ ही नहीं आता मैं क्या करूं,
करेक्ट.
मेरे को कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. So this is the way we react to any situation, and this is the way a child reacts, right? If you give a lot of stress level to your child, बहुत रोना, गाना, चिल्लाना, ये सब बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है ना, तो the child will always tend to go in the freeze mode कि यार ये तो अब चिल्लाने वाली है, मेरे को तो कुछ समझ नहीं आने वाला, ये तो चिल्लाने वाली है मुझे. They go into the freeze mode and then we complain कि यार बच्चा तो कुछ सुन नहीं रहा है, बच्चा तो कुछ समझ ही नहीं रहा है. मैं इतना बोलती जाती हूँ, इतना बोलती जाती हूँ, इनको कुछ समझ क्यों नहीं आता? और वही चीज आप प्रिटेंड प्ले के थ्रू बच्चे को समझाइए. For example, there are instances, my son is 8 years old, so I have many stories now. So there are instances, you know, शुरू में वो बोला बहुत लेट था, तो he couldn't express his emotion, तो वो कई बार है ना बाइट करा था कुछ बच्चों को, because he was very happy और ना, तो उसने
अच्छा।
ऐसा बाइट कर लिया था। अब उसको हम चिल्लाने लगेंगे तो कुछ समझ तो आना नहीं है, जाके पेरेंट्स से जरूर हमने सॉरी बोल दिया था कि आई एम रियली सॉरी। 2 साल का बच्चा था, तो दूसरे पेरेंट्स भी समझते हैं कि हाँ होता है। देन हमने प्रिटेंड प्ले, बिकॉज ही स्टार्टेड डूइंग प्रिटेंड प्ले एट दैट टाइम, यू नो, वी स्टार्टेड प्रिटेंडिंग एंड प्लेइंग। एंड इनिशियल जैसे प्रिटेंड प्ले में मैं उसको चिल्लाती कि ये काटना गलत है, तुमको ये नहीं करना चाहिए, ये उसको समझ ही नहीं आना था, बिकॉज वो ऑलरेडी जैसे ही आवाज तेज होती है बच्चा फ्रीज मोड पे चला जाता है। ठीक
ओके।
है, जब बच्चा टॉडलर 3 से 4 इयर्स के बाद आता है तब वो फाइट करता है, आप मुझ पे दिन भर चिल्लाते रहते हो मम्मा। 4-5 इयर्स का बच्चा ऐसा जवाब दे सकता है, 2 साल का बच्चा ऐसा जवाब कभी भी नहीं देगा,
नहीं दे
वो एकदम
सकता।
सहम सा जाएगा। 3-4 साल के बच्चे तो सहमते ही हैं, आप जोर से चिल्ला के देखिए, पहले आपका बच्चा सहमेगा, उसके बाद रोएगा, राइट। सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। फिर हमने प्रिटेंड प्ले के थ्रू उसको समझाया, मैं और पापा मैं और अथर्व, हम तीनों खेलने लगे, एंड ऐसे और पापा ने मेरे को बहुत जोर से काटा, मेरे को बहुत दर्द हो रहा है। जब उसके सामने हमने ये एक्सपीरियंस शो किया, he slowly and gradually understood कि सामने वाले को इससे दर्द हो सकता है, एंड ही इमिडिएटली उसने खुद ने ही बंद कर दिया। अगर मैं उसको चिल्ला के समझाती होती तो उसको कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता, बिकॉज इधर इधर कुछ जाना ही नहीं था ना, उसकी ब्रेन में वो बात ही नहीं जानी थी, बिकॉज ही इज ऑलरेडी इन द फ्रीज मोड। जोर की आवाज किस बच्चे को सहन होती है? इवन अ 6 month old कैन अंडरस्टैंड द वाइब। अगर आपका हस्बैंड वाइफ का आर्ग्यूमेंट हो रहा है और अगर 6 महीने का बच्चा बिस्तर पे लेटा हुआ है, आप एक बार किसी आसपास किसी बच्चे के सामने करके देख लीजिएगा, अगर आप जोर से चिल्लाएंगे वो बच्चा अपने आप रोने लग जाएगा। The infant can also sense the disturbance. So,
Correct.
you know, जब एक स्टडी हुआ था, मैंने बीच में पोस्ट भी डाला, एक स्टडी हुआ था कि अगर पानी को आप चिल्ला के फ्रीज करेंगे तो उसमें स्नोई फ्लेक्स अलग से बनेंगे, और अगर आप पानी को बहुत पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशंस के साथ फ्रीज करेंगे तो उसमें एक डिफरेंट वे ऑफ उनका डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर बनेगा। There's a study that was done in Japan. I also posted it in my feed. So words play so much of power in human life. तो बच्चों की लाइफ में तो बहुत ज्यादा प्ले करता है, इसलिए चिल्ला के हर चीज आप नहीं सुधार सकते। By pretend play and all these things, you can definitely make. That's why pretend play is so important when the child is in their 2.5-3 years of age. वो
Actually, the experience which you said na, the same thing happened with my kid. Okay, she was every time ऊपर एक बच्ची रहती है और वो हमेशा आती है खेलने के लिए, तो वो जब भी आती है खेलने के लिए ना, तो she used to hit her. So I was like, first day, why is she hitting? I didn't say anything. I was just observing what is exactly happening. ठीक है, ये जब भी उसको मारती थी तो वो भागती थी, तो इट वाज लाइक अच्छा ये कोई गेम है, तो मैं उसको मारती हूँ और वो भागेगी एंड आई विल रन बिहाइंड हर एंड शी
यू डोंट, जैसे आप बता रहे हैं, जिस बच्चों की साइकोलॉजी को ही हम नहीं समझ पाते हैं, उनके लिए क्या चीज क्या स्टिमुलस प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, उनके कोई बिलीव्स थोड़ना है अभी, उनके पास तो सिर्फ आइडियाज का भंडार है, उनके
बट
पास
व्हेन आई
कोई
से
बिलीव
दिस,
नहीं है।
अगर मैं ये जाके उसकी मम्मी को बताऊंगी कि उसको ये एक प्ले लग रहा है इसलिए वैसे करी, तो उनको क्या लगेगा कि ये उसकी मम्मी है इसलिए शी
Complain
इज
कर रही है।
बैकिंग हर ऑफ। सो दैट इज नॉट द थिंग, दैट इज एग्जैक्टली हैपनिंग। उसको खेल लग रहा था और उसको मजा आ रहा था, बट उसको ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि वो उसको लग रहा है। तो द सेम थिंग I did, the pretend play, and then she was, one day she cried, okay, then I said that is why, वो ऊपर वाली बच्ची ऐसे रो रही है, जब भी तुम उसको मार रहे हो ना तो उसको रो रही है, because she is getting
उसको
hurt,
लग
उसको
रहा है।
दर्द हो रहा है
That is what I'm
ना?
saying. If you try explaining a child, it is going to be very difficult because उनको लॉजिक समझ ही नहीं आना है। पहली बात तो ये जो लॉजिक और ये सब है ना, ये बहुत टाइम बाद बच्चों के full mature logic and emotional person is around 20 to 24 years, जब ब्रेन की साइज को एक अडल्ट ब्रेन साइज माना जाता है। So it is a very long process. So yes, it is very important that you don't go into that much. Use play as a therapy for your child's
Correct.
development and you'll see wonders. And parenting तो अपने आप ही धीरे धीरे हम पॉजिटिव होते जाते हैं। बहुत गलतियां आपने भी की है, बहुत गलतियां मैंने भी की है, but it's
और उसी से
okay.
सीखते हैं।
Yeah,
it's
we
okay.
learn from our mistakes, and even kids do the same thing. So here I
The
was
thing
trying to
is,
say,
the most important thing is to learn from the mistake,
that
not
is
to
what
do
I'm
the
trying to
mistake.
say, कि बच्चा अगर गलत बटन लगा रहा है, वो अपनी गलती से एक दिन सही बटन लगाएगा, आपके चिल्लाने से नहीं लगाएगा, या आपकी जल्दीबाजी मचाने के कारण आप उसकी इंडिपेंडेंस खो रहे. So when you learn from so many mistakes, how can a child be potty trained or trained to comb hair or trained, खुद के काम करने में वो कैसे 2-5 बार में एकदम सही हो जाएगा? नहीं हो सकता. When
Correct.
you learn from your mistakes, so will the child learn. So just be accepting to it. The more you open the doors for your acceptance and tolerance towards parenting, the child will groom definitely. And we
Correct.
all are trying to give the best to our child. So I guess ये शुरुआत तो हमारे womb से ही हो जाती है.
Yes. And
So
parents,
just
it's not like everything is going to end one day. One day your baby is going to get potty trained. One day your baby is going to eat perfectly. One day your baby will play perfectly, read
एक्चुअली
perfectly,
प्रॉब्लम क्या
write
है दिव्या,
perfectly.
यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम क्या है, हम बहुत कंपैरिजन मोड में आ जाते हैं. अरे बच्चे का वेट कितना हुआ था, हेल्दी बच्चा हुआ है उससे तो किसी को मतलब ही नहीं है, बच्चे का वेट कितना हुआ आपके यहाँ, तो वहीं से तो कंपैरिजन चालू हो जाता है. बच्चा गोरा हुआ कि बच्चा काला हुआ है, वहीं से तो
देखो
कंपैरिजन
श्रुति,
हम
the
शुरू कर
thing
देते हैं.
is, because you know everything, because you know that weight doesn't matter, because you know that certain things doesn't matter, these comparisons that doesn't work. You know that what are the standards to keep in mind, what are the milestones.
Yeah,
Milestones are
if
more
your baby
important
is,
because you know, because you're aware, you don't worry. But parents, because they don't know much, they worry for everything. अच्छा शायद उसका ज्यादा है तो शायद मेरा कम है, so that maybe
और
that
ये
is some
उसका
problem.
ज्यादा वजन किस लिए है, क्योंकि टॉप फीड पे मैं भी कल से टॉप फीड चालू करा देता हूँ. अरे अंडरस्टैंड, बी अवेयर, वी आर ब्लेस्ड,
That
अनलाइक
is
आवर पेरेंट्स. मैं सच्ची बोलती हूँ, आई रिस्पेक्ट, आफ्टर बीइंग मदर, आई हैव टन्स ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर माय पेरेंट्स. यार हमारे पास तो हर चीज की हेल्प है, हर चीज के लिए हेल्प है. आज हम और आप यहाँ बैठे हैं तो डेफिनेटली ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स गुड़िया को देख ही रहे हैं ना. सो वी हैव हेल्प फॉर एवरीवन, अनलाइक अर्लियर. हमारे मम्मी पापा के पास तो ना ज्यादा नौकर चाकर होते थे, ना इतनी हेल्प होती थी, फिर भी उन्होंने हमारे लिए बेस्ट किया. दे हैव गिवन अस द बेस्ट इन लाइफ. वी हैव इंटरनेट, वी हैव रिसोर्सेज, वी हैव गुड
very true.
पीपल यू कैन आस्क फॉर हेल्प. जस्ट यूज इट.
Exactly. You
नॉलेज
don't
का
have to
भंडारा
believe
है गूगल
anybody.
में.
You
उनके
don't
पास
have to
तो
believe
बेचारों के
me
पास
also. You
नॉलेज भी
don't
नहीं
have to
था.
believe. That is the point. See, even I tell parents that you don't have to believe me. You don't have to believe Shruti. You don't have to believe
Do
all
it,
these things.
do
Just
it,
keep all these things in mind and research.
एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम
You
सेइंग.
can research.
आइडिया बहुत होते हैं. आज मेरा आइडिया आपको एक वेग आइडिया लगेगा, बट आइडिया बिलीव तब बनता है जब वही चीज को हम पढ़ते हैं और एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं. सो देयर आर मेनी
Right.
आइडियाज, बट आइडिया बिकम्स योर बिलीफ. आइडिया से बिलीफ तक आने के लिए आपको एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, आपको you have to read on it. So when you read, like there's a mother who's saying thank you for sharing, I try with my 2 year, and उन्होंने इस चीज को इम्प्लीमेंट किया, तब उनको पता चला कि ये आइडिया जो दिया है हमने, ये बिलीफ बन सकता है.
Correct.
राइट. आगे हमारा गुस्सा बहुत तेज है, पर हम अगर धीरे धीरे उस चीज की तरफ जाएंगे कि यार मैं 1% काम और हो सकती हूँ, मैं 2% काम और हो सकती हूँ, मेरे हस्बैंड ने आज कुछ बोला, मैं थोड़ी सी नहीं रिएक्ट करूंगी तो हो सकता है कि उनका एंगर भी थोड़ा कम हो जाए. होता है, ये चीजें होती हैं. So
Correct.
when you start believing in all these things, that's when your belief becomes, and that's when you become more patient. हमारे प्रॉब्लम में, हमारी लाइफ में होते ही क्या है, ज्यादा ज्यादा चीजें क्या हैं, बच्चे, हस्बैंड, फैमिली, and we all are trying to gel up with everyone around, isn't it? So I believe that if you want a happy space, everyone has their own problem, everyone has some or the other problem in life.
Just
किसी को,
accept things as it
या
is. That
किसी
is
को
the
लगेगा कि
simplest
ये
thing.
सामने ये दोनों जो बातें कर रही है, इनकी लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, इसलिए इतनी बातें कर रही है. बट इट इज नॉट ट्रू, राइट? एवरीवन हैज देयर ओन प्रॉब्लम. किसी को फिजिकल है, किसी को इमोशनल है, किसी को मेंटल है. बट इट इज अबाउट द वे यू लिव. जिंदगी एक मिलनी है. It is into your I have been very open about my physical illness also on my page. I have written it also many times. ठीक है, जो है सो है, जितना रहेंगे उतना तो अच्छे से रहेंगे ना यार. ठीक है, ऑफ एंड ऑन सबकी लाइफ में आते हैं, देयर आर टाइम व्हेन आई एम आल्सो डाउन, बट देन दैट्स ओके, एवरीवन हैज सम और द अदर प्रॉब्लम, जस्ट एक्सेप्ट इट, एंड जितना हो सकता है उतना तो अच्छे से रहें. So it is just being positive, because if you are positive as a human, then only you are positive as a wife, then only you are positive as a daughter,
As a mother,
then
as
only
a
you are positive. Everything, every relation comes and starts from you. So it is very
Correct.
important to take care of yourself first. अगर
Very
आप अपना ध्यान रखेंगे तो ही आपका बच्चा अपना ध्यान रखना सीखेगा. अगर आप अपनी नीड्स को, अरे आने रहने दे यार, मेरे को बहुत सारे काम है, बच्चा भी वही सीखेगा. वो अपनी नीड्स को कभी फुलफिल, इमोशन, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, यू नो, टीचिंग दैट इमोशनल स्टेबिलिटी, जो मैंने भी मेडिटेशन के बाद बहुत टाइम बाद सीखी. आई फील दैट इज वे मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन IQ, बिकॉज कई बार होता है हम लाखों करोड़ों रुपए कमाते हैं. So what is more important? Getting into that emotional space or buying those materialistic things? So on this note, I will really like all the mothers and all the viewers, be positive yourself, be happy yourself, take help from others, take
Correct.
knowledge of meditation from others. कोई भी तरीके का आप चालू कीजिए, पर चालू कीजिए, because it is very important. When you grow, that's the time when you realize that how important it is. And you know, ये पेंडेमिक ने तो सबको असलियत दिखा दी है. कितने ही गुची, LV सबके बैग्स अलमारी में रखे हुए हैं, बट एट द एंड व्हाट इज हेल्पिंग यू इज योर सैनिटी, योर पीसफुलनेस इन द माइंड. सो आई गेस इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप सब चीजों का बैलेंस ढूंढिए, एंड अपने आप बच्चे एंड लाइफ तो सॉर्टेड हो ही जानी है. And हम
very
सब एक
nicely
दूसरे
said.
की हेल्प करने के लिए हैं. सो जस्ट एक्सेप्ट इट एंड मूव ऑन.
Yes. So any parenting help you want, any questions, any queries you have, no, you can always reach out to Shruti. You can always reach out to me. Will be very happy to help you all. So guys,
And there
let's
might
just
be
end
times
this.
when we need it from you also, right? Viewers, there might
Yes.
be times कि आप हमसे कोई चीज में अच्छे हो तो हम आपसे भी हेल्प मांगने के लिए रेडी रहेंगे. So we all are helping
Let's
each
keep
other here.
learning from each other.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's keep spreading
So we all are
positivity.
learners for life. Like my son named this page कि हम कुछ ना कुछ सभी मम्मा सीख रहे हैं ना. आप भी कुछ सीख रहे हो, मैं
Actually,
भी
the
कुछ सीख
name
रही
is
हूँ.
also very nice.
वो मेरे
Yes,
बेटे की
Nandini.
देन है.
Very
मैंने तो
nice.
सिबलिंग लव AM रखा था, बट ही केम अप टू मी, एंड हम लोग कार में थे, वी वर कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम माय प्लेस, एंड आई वाज लाइक, अमित इस पेज में मैं बहुत सारी लर्निंग चीजें दिखा रही हूँ, सिर्फ भाई बहन का थोड़ा ना दिखा रही हूँ. सो दैट्स व्हेन ही सेड, मम्मा आप भी देखो बैडमिंटन सीख रहे हो, मैं भी बैडमिंटन सीख रहा हूँ, पापा भी कुछ ना कुछ सीखते हैं, आप ड्राइंग भी सिखाते हो, आप ये भी, कोई ना कोई कुछ ना कुछ तो सब कुछ सीख रहा है. दादी मेडिटेशन के बारे में सीखती है, हमको सिखा, हम सब तो कुछ ना कुछ सीख रहे हैं. हम सब तो लर्नर्स फॉर लाइफ है, सभी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ लर्न करते हैं. और उसी दिन मैंने ना लोगो डिसाइड किया था, कुछ नहीं, सबसे पहले आके घर में इसका नाम ही चेंज किया. माय हस्बैंड वाज लाइक, यू आर सो क्विक इन चेंजिंग द नेम, एटलीस्ट रिलैक्स, थिंक ओवर इट वंस. आई डोंट वांट टू थिंक ओवर इट, जस्ट पुट द नेम. देखी जाएगी, पर जस्ट पुट द नेम. लोगो वोगो सब बाद में बनाएंगे, यू जस्ट पुट द नेम.
Amazing, yeah.
द नेम केम फ्रॉम माय सन.
And the more important thing is, अरे बच्चा है वो कुछ भी बोलता रहता है. You didn't take that way. You are learning from your toddler as well.
My
You are learning
husband
from
also
your
told
kids as
me
well.
कि एक बार सोच तो ले, फीड कर देगी, बार बार नाम चेंज करना अच्छा थोड़ा ना लगेगा. अभी तूने सिबलिंग लव _AM लिखा था, और अभी एकदम से 1-2 महीने की बात थी, पेज को शुरू हुआ ही 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ है अभी तो हमें हस्बैंड बोले कि चेंज करेगी एकदम से. आई रियली डोंट नो हाउ विल दिस अफेक्ट एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. मैंने कौन सा रेस जीतनी है. If they like my content, they will join. If they don't like it, it's okay. Then I didn't think much over it, and I was like, जिनको जो सोचना है, मेरे को बहुत जनों ने बोला था frequent नाम चेंज नहीं करना चाहिए, frequent ये सब नहीं करना चाहिए. I was all new to it, and I was like कि चेंज कर देते हैं, देखी जाएगी. मैं अपनी हैप्पीनेस के लिए पेज चला रही हूँ, राइट? अगर
Correct.
मेरे इसके थ्रू if it becomes a stress for me, I'll not do it. And it is
Correct.
very simple. If it becomes a stress to me, I will not do it. Like earlier in the discussion also I told you कि I am not doing many things that I want, because I want to go slow with things in life. So you know, I just did it, and here it is today. Everyone can relate to it. We all are learning.
Very true. But I don't know why I freezed.
Yeah,
चलो
even
ठीक
I
है
can
then.
understand.
I think even
So,
Instagram wants us to say bye.
yeah, it was nice talking to you. There's a lot to learn from you also.
Yeah, Shruti, it was a very, very productive session. I loved it. I
Thank you.
enjoyed
Thank
it.
you so much. Hope our viewers
Thank
did
you
too.
for, yeah, accepting this
Thank
and
you. Thank you so much. Thank you
really
for having
enjoyed.